welcome to my channel. I learn color's name. Let's start. This is a black color. This is a brown color. This is a orange color. This is a purple color. This is a blue color. This is a yellow color. This is a red color. This is a pink color. This is a light green. And this is a green color. I draw capital letter A. B. Capital letter C. And D. Number 0. 1. 2. Number 3. And 4. Let's paint. Brown color A for alligator. B for broccoli. C for cherry. D for donut. Yellow color number 0. Number 1. Two. Number 3. And 4. Let's repeat learn capital letter A, B, C and D. Number 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.